Moving on, India's Supreme Court has put on hold an investigation into the death of 3 civilians who were killed in January, allegedly after army officials opened fire on them in Kashmir's Shopian district. In effect, the Supreme Court restrained the Jammu and Kashmir government from investigating Major Aditya. This after the Jammu and Kashmir government made it clear that the army officer was not named as an accused in the police report. Instead, he was named as the army officer leading the convoy. The Chief Justice of India observed that it's a case of an army officer, not an ordinary criminal, and ordered the state government to put the investigations on hold till April 24th, when it would deliver its ruling in this case. Trouble began after it became known that the police had named Major Aditya and his unit instead of filing a report that does not name anyone. The officer's father filed a petition asking the court to quash the police report naming his son. The father, who himself is a war veteran, claims Major Aditya Kumar was not present at the spot during the firing. His petition said a police report against serving army personnel had a numbing effect on the morale of soldiers operating against all odds in inhospitable terrain.
We have with us senior lawyer Aishwarya Bharti, who's just present inside the Supreme Court. Aishwarya, tell us what transpired, and you seem to have said that there is still a gap that needs to be filled. He was mentioned in the FIR, but the accused column was left empty. Tell us all about it.
So today, when the matter, the hearing started, the J&K government said that he is not named as an accused. In the column of accused, there is a printed, the FIR, before the story is narrated, there is a printed format of every FIR. And in that, there is a place of occurrence, accused, complainant, time, etc., etc. So they said the column of the accused is empty. It does not mention Major Aditya there. And whether he is named in the main body of the FIR, he is not really named as an accused. Therefore, this petition itself is infructuous. It's not maintainable. There is no grievance left with the petitioner, so the petition does not deserve to be. But I felt that it was more an endeavor to deflect the issue, because once the hearing goes on and the matter proceeds further, there are very uncomfortable questions which the J&K government will have to answer.
The central government argued that the Jammu and Kashmir police could not have registered a case against Major Aditya without their permission. But the state government asserted that there was no restriction on the police registering a case. The killing of the 3 civilians had triggered massive furor in Jammu and Kashmir, prompting an under-pressure Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti to promise to take the case to its logical conclusion.